welcome to Manmaker. I am Ranjan Kumar. So today we are going to see some important and repeated question which came in BEL HLS exam. Homeland Security and Smart City Business. I hope you all have downloaded your admit card. Exam is on 23rd November. So this is for all branch because the syllabus is same for all branch for this exam. BEL HLS trainee, either you are from electrical, electronics, or computer, or MCA people, whatever branch is there, if you applied for this job, your syllabus is common for everyone. Okay, so we are going to see some questions today which came before in the exam, HLS exam. Repeated question we are going to see, and some expected question we are going to see in this class. Okay, for PDF and more updates, you can join our Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. Both the link you will get below in the description box. Here you will get class update, job update, notification, notes, everything I am providing in here only. And now you can access the Manmaker app from Google Play Store. There you can download your study material. Okay, as I told, your syllabus is common for everyone, so just go to below description box, you will get this app link, or go to Google Play, the Google Play. There you can download this one, Play Store, and there you will find, just go to all courses. There you will find one BEL HLS Trainee Engineer course. This is for all the branch. Okay, here you are going to get complete material. You need to complete this ebook. There you will get subject wise notes and subject wise MCQ, then 600 important question and 100 non technical question and mock test available. So just complete this one and go for exam. This much is enough for your exam. Okay, so we will see further some question today we'll discuss. Okay, technology provides a dedicated point-to-point link between every pair of devices. Okay, when we talk about network topology, so basically network topology, we have six type. Okay, six type of topology we have in a network. Okay, that first one is bus topology, then star topology, ring topology, then mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. Basically we have six kind of topology, network topology. All right, so if we talk about bus topology, so bus topology are connected in a single central cable, and it in bus topology data travels in the both the direction. Okay, both direction data will be travel in the bus topology. In star topology, it all devices are connected in a central hub or switch in a star topology. If we talk about ring topology, then ring topology are connected in a circular loop, and data will travels in one direction also, in or both direction also. So you can say it will unidirectional and bidirectional both. Okay, and now in mesh topology, every devices is connected to every other devices, and it provide point to point link between every devices. Okay, if we talk about tree topology is a combination of star and bus topology. And hybrid means it is a combination of two or more topologies. All right, so here they have asked for point to point link between every pair of devices. So you can see here mesh topology provided point to point link between every devices. So from here we can say option B is our right answer. Apart from that, you have to remember all the things. Sometime they will ask question ring topology. In the ring topology, data will travel in which direction? In star topology, how devices are connected, like that question they will make. So for whatever I am going to discuss, that every point you have to note it down. All right, now the next one, which OSI layer ensures error detection and flow control? So if we talk about OSI model, that is open system interconnection. So basically we have 7 layer in the OSI model. First one is your physical layer, then data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. So basically we have 7 layer in the OSI model. Okay, this physical layer is called lowest. This is your lowest layer. Okay, this will come in the lowest, and this application layer will come in the topmost. Okay, this top layer is our uh, application layer, then this physical layer is a lowest. So this is your L7, oh sorry, so like this, it is there, it will go, physical layer will come in the low side, then application layer will become in the top side. All right, so if we talk about our physical layer, so physical layers deals with transmission of rows bits like 0 and 1s over a physical medium. Okay. Data link layer is responsible for node-to-node communication. Network layer are responsible for delivering data packets from source to destination. And transport layer ensures reliable and error-free delivery, error detection, flow control, and multiplexing of a data. Okay. Session layer is responsible for establishing, maintaining, and terminating sessions. Then presentation layer is deals with data translation, encryption, and comparison. Then application layer provides services directly to a application. So these are the 7 layer of OSI model, and their work I have mentioned here. You have to remember every layer function. They will ask question from anywhere. Here they have asked for ensure error detection and flow control. So you can see here this error detection and flow control, it is ensured by the transport layer. So from here option A, we can say option A is a right answer. Okay, which of the following is a private IP address? So among them, which are the private IP address? So if we talk about our private IP address, that is internet protocol address. So basically if we see our private IP address, then we have 10.0.0.0 to 10.0.08. Okay, then we have 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. Then again we have one more private IP range, that is 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. Okay, so these are our private IP range. You have to remember this range, and here they have asked for private IP range. So from option you can see this option B is there, that will come under this thing, 192 to 168.00.2 192.168.255.255. So it belongs to this one, so option B is your right answer. Okay, now which device stores, okay, so which device stores energy in an electric field? So which device is going to store in a energy in a electric field? So we have capacitor, that a capacitor will store energy charges in a electrical field in between the plates. Okay, if you talk about inductor, inductor will stores energy in magnetic field, magnetic field. All right, resistor means what? Resistor will oppose the flow of current, oppose the flow of current in a circuit. Okay, then we have diode. So diode is what? Diode is a unidirectional, okay, diode is a unidirectional, like it will allow to flow a current in a unidirectional, and it will use as a rectification. Okay, you have read about half wave circuit, full wave rectifier, that is rectifier circuit. So in the rectifier circuit, we are using diodes to convert AC to DC. All right. So these are the basic information about all the options. You have to remember all the points. Okay. Which type of camera is is commonly used in CCTV system? So basically, for CCTV system, we are using IP camera for remotely monitoring or monitoring over a network. So we are using IP camera basically in CCTV system. Okay. Which type of memory is volatile? See, two terms are there. One is your volatile and another one is non-volatile. Okay, these are belongs to memory. So volatile means what? Volatile memory is a temporary memory. Okay, is a type of temporary memory. Okay, and this is the type of permanent memory. Permanent memory. All right. So temporary memory, volatile memory means what? Once the power goes off, once the power goes off, your data will be lost. Okay, your data will be lost. Okay, once the power will be goes, your data will be lost. Same for non-volatile. Here, if power goes off, also data will remain saved. Okay, so data will be not lost in the non-volatile memory. Okay, so any like power, if power will goes also, data will be remain same in the memory. So here if you see the example that we have RAM, that is random access memory, and here we have like ROM, then other options that like flash memory and hard disk device. So these are the permanent memory. We have SSD, nowadays SSD are coming. So these all are the permanent memory, non-volatile memory. Okay, so from here you can see option D is there, which is the type of volatile. So RAM is the volatile memory. Okay, apart from these all are the non-volatile memory. Okay. BIOS is a computer. BIOS in a computer stand for. So BIOS means what? Basic input output system. Option A is your right answer. BIOS will initialize the hardware during the boot and load the operating system. Okay, so this is what BIOS. The main advantage of OFC over copper cable. So for communication we are using cables. Basically for long distance we are using OFC, that is optical fiber cable. So optical fiber cable have higher bandwidth. Okay, it has higher bandwidth and it has high data transmission speed. It has higher bandwidth and it has high data transmission speed and low loss over long communication. Okay, over long communication. So OFC we are using because it has higher bandwidth, higher data transmission speed and low loss over long communication. That's why this is the main advantage over other communication channel we have. So we are using OFC. This is the main advantage, that it has higher data transmission speed and low losses it has. Light propagation in OFC work on the principle of what? OFC same that optical fiber cable. So this is working in the principle of total internal reflection. Okay. Which networking device operates at the data link layer, that is our layer 2, as we have discussed 7 layer. So data link layer will come in the layer 2. So in data link layer, which device is used? So these all are the networking devices. We have router, switch, hub and firewall. All are the networking device. So basically switch we are using this option B. Switch we are using in L2, that is your layer 2, means data link layer. In data link layer we are using switch, that network device. If we talk about router we are using in L3, in layer 3. Layer 3 means we have network layer in layer 3. So we are using basically router there. If we talk about hub we are using in L1. L1 means we are that is your physical layer. So in physical layer we are using L1. Then firewall we are using in L3 also and L4 also. L3 means network layer and L4 means transport layer. So in like this we are using our network devices. You have to remember all the points. Which device connected LAN to WAN using telephone line? LAN and WAN means what? We have network like we have LAN also, we have WAN also, and we have MAN also. Okay, this three kind of network like cables you can say, or networks we have. Local area network, then wide area network, and MAN area network. So these are the networks are there. And for a telephone line, basically we are using modem we are using. It will convert digital digital signal into analog form over trans for transmission over telephone line, and vice versa. Again it will convert analog to digital and digital to analog also. Modem, that's why it is called modulator and demodulator. This is called modulator and demodulator. Okay, so it will convert analog to digital also and digital to analog over a telephone line. So from here modem is your right answer. Which of the following is a system software? So which of the following is a system software? Basically, if we talk about software part, so software we have system software, okay, system software. Then we have application software, application software. Okay, we have system software and we have application software. So system software, it will manage the hardwares. It manages hardware. Okay, like we have operating system, drivers. So for that we have system software. And application software basically it is used for user task. Basically it is used for user task, like any kind of application software, like we have MS Office. Okay, MS Office we have. Then Tally, Photoshop, or any kind of application that generally we are using for our purpose in a computer, that is application software. So from here this Windows operating system is there, that is belongs to system software. So from here it will be system, this is the system software. MS Word is a application software, Photoshop is a application software, Tally is also application software. So this is the answer for this. So likewise question you are going to get in your exam. Okay, so either you are from any branch, you will get like that question only, and this is the like this is only common syllabus for all the branch. So like that question you need to practice from these things, these materials. As I told you, if you will go and download this the Mann Maker app from Play Store, or just go to below description box, you will get this link. There just go to all courses. In that you will find BEL HLS Trainee Engineer course. Just take that one. There you will get all this material, ebook, 600 important question, 100 technique non-tech question, and mock test is there. Just do this thing and go for exam. This much is enough for your exam. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like the video, just hit like on a button, kindly share with your friends, and if you're not subscribed my channel till now, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.